Where I'm at right now is right in front of what looks like some sort of shop or building which got pretty heavily damaged. There was a lot of brick up here. A lot of it has fallen to the ground, and there used to be an awning right here as well, and that is also on the ground as well. So not only are we seeing tree and power line damage, we're seeing a little bit of structural damage as well. Not only places like this, we also have some mobile homes with the roofs ripped off, and even some of the walls collapsed as well. So a lot of that scene, just like this, is all around Morgan City, and most areas have some trees down, power lines down, but it looks like there is some more localized, intense areas where you have this type of structural damage.